Hey guys, Eddie from Harlembling, and we're in Tuscany in Italy. We're driving to the factory, and driving is a very loose definition as I'm literally standing. This is the road that we have to drive on. It was definitely not meant for cars. Maybe these towns were meant for jewelries to be made, but definitely for not driving. 0 kilometers an hour. Definitely walk faster here. In a few minutes, I'm gonna take you inside the factory and you'll be able to see how we make the jewelry. This is a voiceover because in the factory it's extremely noisy. It's very hard to hear from the guys grinding to the machines working to some guys cursing in Italian. But this is the first step of making the chain. This is a very rough chain that's being made. It has the general shape of the Figaro. It's still a very long way to go, but these make the actual rings of the chains. As you can see, there's hundreds of machines. Each of these machines have to be operated by a few guys. It's a very painstaking process. So this is about, I don't know, close to 20 kilos of chains. As you can see, it's just O-rings. There's still a lot to go from this to the finished product that's ready to be worn on your neck. These machines are very good, but nothing replaces the human hand. Now, these are polishing machines. These are wheels that grind the chains for that nice diamond cut finish. So once they're actually made, we polish them again. Then a jeweler has to grind them down by hand and a few other things. This is some stuff we have ready. This is going to be sent out to a wholesale customer of ours in South America. As you can see, this is about 10.5 kilos. We have total of over 50 kilos. This is another machine. This is actually a chain being made on a continuous loop. There's a second part to it. I cannot show you that particular machine because I don't want people copying it. This is the last step. This is my man Federico. He's packaging it up. As you can see, these are all chains being ready to be shipped out to wholesale customers and some into our retail business so we can ship them out to guys like you. So yeah. Guys, this is where the magic happens. This is where we start the design process. You know, we at Harlembling, we have over 100 chain designs. There's a lot of stuff that doesn't make it. Why? Because maybe it's not as popular. Things for the ladies. But as time will go by, we will start manufacturing more for our wholesale clients, however. All of this is available. Any chain you guys need, we can make. Just because we don't have it on the website does not mean we cannot make it. So contact me. We'll make whatever you need. We have thousands of these catalogs that we can do. There's also fancy items. So many different items. Matryoshkas. Maybe to support the war in Ukraine, I don't know. Colorful. Whatever you guys need. Message us. We'll make it happen for you.